Hi everyone, I just spent 2 amazing months in Chicago doing an internship at the YMCA of Chicago Marketing Department. At 19, I packed up and flew solo to the US to take on this huge adventure. Honestly, it was super enriching. I learned a ton about marketing, got to work with some incredible people, and see how such a big organization really works from inside. It was epic. Big shout out to YMCA for the opportunity and my school, Escola del Treball, for making this possible. And of course, to my awesome roommate Jorge for putting me up with me all time. Couldn't be more grateful. Thanks, Chicago. I'll be back.